Welcome to Positano, Italy's breathtaking jewel on the Amalfi coast. With its pastel-colored villas cascading down steep cliffs, sun-soaked beaches, and charming narrow streets, Positano is not just a village. It's a dream come to life. Join us as we explore why this stunning seaside paradise is considered one of Italy's most beautiful and unforgettable travel destinations.
Have you ever dreamed of the perfect Mediterranean escape? Let me introduce you to Positano, the jewel of Italy's Amalfi coast, and the destination you didn't know you needed. This picturesque village looks like it was pulled straight from a postcard. With its pastel-hued houses cascading down the cliffside and cobblestone streets lined with artisan boutiques, Positano oozes charm and romance at every corner. Craving the sea, Positano's beaches are famous for their dramatic cliffs and turquoise waters. Whether you're lounging on Spiaggia Grande or taking a boat tour along the coast, the views are simply unforgettable. And when the sun sets, Positano turns magical. The sky explodes with color, the air is filled with the scent of lemon trees, and the town begins to glow. Foodies, rejoice! Positano is a culinary paradise. Feast on handmade pasta, ultra-fresh seafood, and sip on local limoncello, all while dining with a sea view you'll never forget. For the adventurous, the Path of the Gods offers panoramic hikes that are as soul-stirring as they are scenic. It's a journey through nature and history. Whether you're looking for romance, relaxation, or inspiration, Positano delivers. It's a place that feeds the soul, slows time, and creates memories that last a lifetime. So if you're planning your next trip, make it unforgettable. Make it Positano.
Hello everyone, welcome.